So this is the prosection of brain. So for the orientation, we can see that this is the frontal region and this is the occipital region. So here we can see that we have cuneus. So this is occipital region and this is frontal region. And here we're going to look at the main gyri and main sulci. So first of all, we can see that this is the lateral sulcus. And lateral sulcus, the sulcus that is continuous from this lateral sulcus towards the superior part of this lateral surface, this is known as central sulcus. Now the parts of the lateral sulcus, this is the horizontal ramus of lateral sulcus, this is the ascending ramus of lateral sulcus, and this is the posterior ramus of lateral sulcus. Now regarding the areas or the gyri surrounding the central sulcus, so here's the central sulcus, and anterior to this we have this pre-central gyrus, and posterior to that we have post-central gyrus. And looking at this frontal area, the frontal lobe, we can see 2 sulci and 3 gyri. This is the superior and this is the inferior frontal gyrus, superior frontal gyrus and inferior frontal gyrus. Sulcus, inferior frontal sulcus, and this is the superior frontal sulcus. This is the superior and this is the middle and this is the inferior frontal gyri. Superior frontal gyrus, middle frontal gyrus, inferior frontal gyrus. So now about this parietal lobe. In parietal lobe, we can see this interparietal sulcus. Now this interparietal sulcus divides this parietal lobe into superior parietal lobule and inferior parietal lobule. Now this is the temporal lobe region. In temporal lobe, we have 2 sulci and 3 gyri. So we have this superior and here is the middle. So superior temporal sulcus and middle temporal sulcus. This is going to divide the temporal lobe into 3 gyri, superior, middle and inferior temporal gyri. Now towards the medial side, this is the medial side. In the medial side, we can see that this huge structure is paracentral lobule, and posterior to this, so again for the orientation, we can see that this is the frontal lobe region and this is the occipital lobe region. So we can see that this sulcus here is calcarine sulcus and this sulcus here is parieto-occipital sulcus. So here it's gonna form cuneus, this little patch, this is cuneus, and anterior to parieto-occipital sulcus we have precuneus. Now looking at other structures, this is thalamus or interthalamic adhesion here. This is the corpus callosum. So posteriorly we're going to have the splenium of corpus callosum. Anteriorly we're going to have this genu of corpus callosum, और उसके exactly नीचे there would be rostrum of corpus callosum. Above this we have this callosal sulcus. This is cingulate gyrus, and above cingulate gyrus we can see cingulate sulcus. And I think we're left with the inferior surface now. Now looking at the inferior surface, we can see most prominently we have 2 sulci. This is the lateral parieto-occipital sulcus and this is the collateral sulcus. Now if we go towards this part a bit anteriorly, a bit here, we can see that this is uncus, and if the point is here, then it is parahippocampal gyrus. And this is all about the points on inferior surface of the brain.